I, istorya niyong pangalan. Of school. Having been elected, appointed as your current position. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my present position. That I have clearly understood and will abide by the guidelines governing this organization. And of the issuances by the Department of Education. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.